Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power first. Plug a verified charger into a tested outlet so you eliminate the obvious. Once done, inspect the cable and port for damage and LED state. A charger's wattage can affect charging behavior, so try a higher watt compatible unit if available. Next, reset the SMC or PMU appropriate to your model to clear low-level power faults. This often revives non-responsive boards by resetting power management without data loss. You continue by isolating software versus hardware causes. First, attempt a safe boot by holding Shift and watch for the progress bar. Safe mode disables drivers that can block startup. Then reset NVRAM/PRAM with Option Command PR to clear display and boot settings, which can restore a black screen. If that fails, connect an external display and try recovery or single-user mode to determine whether the Mac OS is corrupt or a display/graphics subsystem is failing. You finish with deeper hardware and recovery steps. If comfortable, disconnect the battery and do a full power cycle, then reseat internal connectors to clear contact issues. This addresses intermittent power faults. Run Apple Diagnostics by holding D at startup to gather error codes that point to logic board, RAM, or SSD faults. If diagnostics indicate software or drive corruption, back up via target disk mode, reinstall Mac OS, and only then consider authorized service for board.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.